Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add languages to your iPhone keyboard, just so if you guys are typing in other languages on your keyboard and it keeps spell checking to the current language on your keyboard, this is how it's going to stop doing that, and it's going to allow you to add new languages to your keyboard so you can change them when you would like to type in other languages, which is very, very great. So now all you have to do is you have to go to your settings on your iPhone. Just go ahead and open that up. Then you want to scroll down and click on the general setting. Once you're in the general setting, you want to scroll down and you'll see keyboard. Click on that. And then at the very top, you see keyboards. So you want to go ahead and click on that there. And then you'll see all the keyboards that you currently have on your phone. So you see that I have 3 on here. So all I have to do is click on add new keyboard. And then you can go ahead and search and click on the keyboard that you want to add, whether it's German, whether it's Japanese, or whatever it is that you're looking for. You can go ahead and scroll through here and click on any keyboards that you're looking to use. Once you've found the keyboards, you just want to click on done. So I'll just click on a random one here like Albanian. And then you'll see that I'll add the Albanian keyboard to my keyboard list here. Now to change the keyboard, you want to exit out of here and you want to go over to like Safari or Notes or something like that. And you want to click on a tab and just go to type something. And all you want to do is click on the little world icon in the bottom left corner. Just click on that there. And then it'll tell you that you could quickly change your keyboards. So you just click on continue. Click on it one more time. And then you'll see here that you have all the keyboards to choose from if you want to change to it. So all you have to do is just click on it to change it. And then you can go ahead and switch back whenever you would like. And as you can see there, every time I click it, it is switching between the keyboards, which is actually kind of cool. Now, to get rid of the keyboard, if you want to start using your old keyboard, you want to get rid of the current keyboard that you just added, all you have to do is you have to go back to your settings, and then just click on Edit, and then you just click on the little line that's in the red circle to the left of each keyboard that you want to remove. So I can just go ahead and remove these here, and then it'll be back to the normal keyboard. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to add keyboards to your iPhone keyboard. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.